Here's how to install ZBrush brushes. Extract the downloaded file, and once you do, you'll see 3 items. The main folder containing all the brushes, a notepad file with installation instructions, and a model you can use to quickly test the brushes. The main folder includes 4 separate folders, and each one contains a different set of brushes. And each set comes with its own preview folder. You just need to copy the main folder, then go to your C drive or whichever drive ZBrush is installed on. Follow my exact path, Program Files, Pixelogic, your ZBrush version and ZBrush's folder. Now right-click, but don't hit Paste. Instead, click on Show More Options, then choose Paste Shortcut. As you can see, it's only about 2 kilobytes in size. This way, ZBrush loads the brushes directly from the drive where you place the main folder, so your C drive won't get filled up. Now open ZBrush and set the material to Metal 01 so the brush effects are easier to see. Then open Lightbox, go to Brush tab and find the brushes folder you just copied. And that's it, the brushes are now ready to use.